From this video, we will learn how to make money online while sleeping. Absolutely beginner friendly, anyone can do it from anywhere on the planet, starting today. Before we begin, there are two ways to make money online. By helping others with information and education, like these videos, or helping others with tools and softwares. Well, here is a quick note. The tools and softwares that we use and we built for ourselves to make money for us, just like this. As you can see here, it's a live dashboard of one of my Warrior Plus accounts, $88,000 in affiliate commissions. And a lot of this money we earned while we were sleeping. And the softwares we use to make this money are all free to start. Links are in the description. Go grab them right now. And today we're going to use sleep as an example to show you how you can start making money from today. So let us begin. Before we begin, we need to know who our customers are, who will pay us money. As we agreed before, we want to solve their problems. So we want to find out who they are. For that, we want to do a little research called keyword research. You can use any tool, free, paid, no problem. Go Google keyword research tool. Whatever you find, everything works. I personally love Uber Suggest, so I'm in my account. I will go to the keyword ideas section and search with SLEEP. Hit enter, then click this search button. While the software is searching, I will look on YouTube about sleep problems and try to understand what kind of problems people have about sleeping. When the results are out, I know what people are looking for. For example, people search about sleep 200,000 times, and people search about sleep apnea 368,000 times every single month. So what is sleep apnea? I want to know more about it, so I click on this keyword. It gives me more details. I found another keyword, sleep apnea symptoms. So I clicked on it and found this article, sleep apnea symptoms, causes and treatments, has 2,866 visitors per month. Here comes our little secret where we make money from. You see, all our money came from all these hops. These hops are the people who clicked our links, purchased from us, and we made money. So all these visitors are the people who are somehow paying this website with their money. So this is the website and this is the article that people are visiting every month. Okay, now we know that there are a lot of people who have sleep apnea problem. They're looking for solution to the problem. And we also know what kind of content they are currently visiting. Again, from these social shares, we know that this content is a good content, so people are sharing on social media. So if we can create content like this, they will do the same for us. Now let's go and find out how to make money. We want to sell something to these people as affiliates. So when they buy, we make commissions. So I came to Amazon to have an idea and search with sleep apnea, and I found 3,000 results. Now I want higher price products like this with higher number of ratings. Another example, this one. High rating means it's a popular product, it works, people are loving it. And high number of ratings means at least 10 times more people have already purchased it. So it's a popular product. Now if we go through the details of this product, what the other products Amazon is promoting with it, and read a little more about the comments and reviews customers are leaving after purchase, we will have clearer ideas about what this product does and doesn't, and what more problems customers have, what solution they received from this product. Now finally we will go to ClickBank. This is one of my accounts and you see a little bit of commissions there. Go to the marketplace and search with sleep. We can search with sleep apnea, but we want to learn more about sleep problem solution related products. Well, here is a product about sleep supplement. The gravity score is not that good, but they have rebill of $21.09. Average conversion is $67.44. Stop snoring and sleep apnea exercise program. Gravity score looks good. So I'm going to the affiliate page to get more information about the product, and when I'm happy, I will simply click promote. Create my hop link, and this is my affiliate link. I'm going to copy this link and save somewhere, usually in a spreadsheet. If you visit the affiliate link, this is the page. This is how the page looks like. There is a little bit of text and a VSL. Now when the visitors will click on our links and visit that page, when they will purchase, we will make commission. Now first of all, we're going to take this idea right here, copy, and go to one of my favorite AI tools for writing content. It's free to start. Link is in the description. Go and click click this plus button, click start from scratch, go to templates, go to one short blog post and paste all these details from Google and just click generate. And in a matter of seconds, you have a high quality article ready for you. So I'm going to copy it and use it anywhere I want. But instead, I'm going to make video with it. So I'll click create new in my favorite video creation software that we use in our 20+ channel. Name it sleep apnea and go vertical because I want to make a shorts or Instagram reel or TikTok video. So click create. I have 5 different options to import images and 2.7 million done for you media files like these images to use in my video. Epic is free to start, link is in the description. But here is the magical part. I'll go to the text section and click this copy and paste text button under this text to video section and paste the whole article. And look what happens. There was only one section right here, but the moment I click submit button, immediately every paragraph of the text became one slide or one section. This is how Epic allows us to make bite-sized videos and every section from text to video. Now, if you want to add an image, let's say sleep, just click use, put it right here. If you want to enlarge it like this, put the text on top, change the background of the text and change the color of the text, give it a different opacity. Now, that's not the most beautiful part. Epic even creates text to audio. By clicking on this audio, click this add button, paste the text here, give it a title, quality, favorite voiceover and click submit. And in a matter of seconds, your audio is ready. Editor, please play the audio when I click play.
Blog introduction. If you have sleep apnea, you know how difficult it can be to get a good night's sleep.
Awesome. Now when you're happy with your video, click the render button and the video will be ready in the background and you will get an email notification when the video is ready. When your video is ready, your traffic is ready. Look at TikTok. Hundreds of videos about sleep apnea. And here is a video from Noel Diesel. If you go to his bio, you will find his website link. Tap on this link and it will take you to his website. This is how to send traffic to your website through your videos. This is Instagram, hundreds of videos. So the final summary is we find problems that a lot of people have and there are products to promote. A lot of people are buying those products and there are a lot of topics to talk about. Then we use AI softwares. All of them are free to start. Links are in the description and make content, helpful content and help those people with our content like videos. We put our links, website links, affiliate links, other content links in the description of the videos or in the bio of our profiles and get clicks. These clicks generate passive affiliate commissions. And because these videos and these contents are always live, even while we are asleep, we make money even while we are sleeping. I hope this video was helpful, step by step, easy, user friendly. All our applications are free to start. Links are in the description. Especially Epic is life changing. We run 20+ channels using Epic without using camera and microphone. 2.7 million media files to use for your videos. Epic writes scripts for us using artificial intelligence and turns scripts into natural sounding voiceover. Epic gets you traffic, do the marketing for you and makes you money. Hit the like button if you like this video. Share with your friends and family so they also learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way and the fun way. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And if you want to learn how this lady earns $2 million per month for her company using an underrated platform, then watch this video. If you want to learn about 800,000 customers waiting to buy from your link, then watch this video here. And if you want to learn about 3 AI softwares that can help you earn $70,000, then watch this video here. And if you want to learn how this website earns $53,000 from a $100 million company, then watch this video here. And we'll see you in the next video.